Hello everyone. General Studies Prelims cum Mains full batch we are coming up, which we named it as GS Parivartan. A Parivartan in the students mainly with respect to General Studies, a transformation mainly with respect to General Studies. We are going to make your General Studies easy. How? By the best of the best faculty across the India, by the best of the best mentorship, best of the best guidance. Any doubt, anytime you can call any of our mentors. In that way, the 10 months course we are going to provide you live classes, recorded videos for 2 years, and I am going to teach the Indian polity. As I completed my LLB, I am a expert in Indian polity. I am teaching Indian polity and Indian governance under this GS Parivartan team. And the batch is going to start from next Monday. Don't miss a single class. On this note, I am going to take the class about different types of majorities. Different types of majorities under Indian polity. So today's topic is different types of majority. What is a different types of majority? There are 4 different varieties of majority. There is 4 different varieties of majority. Simple majority, absolute majority, special majority, effective majority, yes, absolute majority, effective majority, absolute majority, effective majority, simple majority and special majority. So, types of majority in our parliament is 4 majorities: absolute majority, effective majority, simple majority and special majority. What is this? I will be explaining right now. Yeah. So, types of majorities I will be discussing. One is majority for amendments, other is other types of majority. One majority is simple majority. What is simple majority? Means 50% of the members present and voting. Means simple. I will take the example of 400 are there in the house, but only 200 is present. So in this 200, 50% is 100 plus 1. So 101 if they are voting, and this 101 should be 50% of the members present and voting in the house is simple majority, and minimum quorum should be maintained. That is simple majority. Minimum quorum is 10% of the house. So minimum to minimum quorum should be present, and more than the quorum, 50% of the people who are present in the house plus 1. Number 2, special majority. 2 conditions need to be followed. One is compulsory the quorum, means more than 50% of the total membership of the house should be present. Means if 400 are there, compulsory 200 attendance should be there. And minimum, compulsory minimum 200, more than 200 it might be anything. So for example, 300 are present. 300 are present. When this 300 are present, means more than 50%, more than 200, 300 is there. So within this 300, 2 by 3rd. 2 by 3rd. 2 by 3rd means compulsory 200 voting should come. So the 2 conditions is minimum 50% of the house should be present, plus that members who are present in the house, in that how many members should give their approval, means 2 by 3rd of the members should give their approval. That is for special majority. That is for special majority, which is special majority. Plus, it is for non-federal features of the constitutional amendments. Whereas for federal features of the constitutional amendment, plus 50% of the states should give their approval with simple majority. That is for federal features. When we are amending federal features, like judiciary is getting amended, like Schedule 7 of the constitution is getting amended, plus 50% of the states should be given approval. If not, only more than 50% of the house should be present, and within that people who are present and voting, 2 by 3rd should be give their approval. Next, third. I told you. Special majority and consent of the state. Special majority of the parliament means this, plus consent of 1 by 2 of the state legislatures by simple majority. By consent of the states. When we are amending the federal features, this. When we are not amending the federal features, but when we are amending the constitution, this. Other types of majority. Absolute majority. What is this absolute majority? More than 50% of the total membership of the house, means 400. Irrespective of the present and voting, how many members might be present? Compulsory, the approval should be 50% plus means out of 400, 201 should give its approval. We are not bothered about the present and voting. We are not bothered how many are coming. The approval should be 50% plus 1. Absolute majority. Effective majority. House is 40, 400. For example, 50 are vacant. So only which are not vacant means who are present. Means 400 minus 50, 350. From that 350, 50% is called as effective. Means vacancies need to be removed. So not total membership. 50 are vacancy means 400 minus 40. I will take 40. Easy number. 400 minus 40 is equal to 360. In that 360 divided by 2, 180 members plus 1 should give their approval. Means vacancies need to be removed. Vacant seats need to be removed. That is called as effective membership. In this way, effective majority. In this way, absolute majority. In this way, simple majority and consent of the states. Simple majority and special majority and simple majority. Simple majority for simple legislations. Special majority for the constitutional amendment where federal features are not affected. Where the federal features are affected, this is absolute majority, this is effective majority. So this is about different varieties of majority. Thank you.